how to upload highest quality pictures on Facebook. So if you want to upload highest quality pictures on your Facebook, then what you can do is first open up your Facebook application. Once you've opened your Facebook, make sure to log into your account. So for now, I've been logged into my page. I'll be switching to my Facebook profile. Once you've logged in, now you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three-bar icon, and then go for the settings, which is on the upper right. And once you're here on the settings, you will have media option. Simply tap on the media, and under your media you will have data saver option. So if you have turned on your data saver, then your pictures won't be uploaded to the highest quality. So you need to simply tap on optimized and toggle off that data saver option. Now once you've toggled that off, then you will have the videos or the photos with the highest quality. So that's how you can upload your highest quality pictures on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.